Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In this video, I want to show you this big breakout from this big down channel on the daily time frame. And on the 4-hourly time frame, we have broken out this resistance of the wedge. And now on the hourly time frame, Bitcoin has broken out another resistance of this ascending triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this hourly time frame. And a few hours back, I shared a video with you, and I was telling you that after breaking out the resistance of this wedge, it is stuck in this resistance inside this ascending triangle, and it was trying to break out this resistance. Now the Bitcoin has broken out the resistance, and our next target after this breakout can be here approximately at $39,500. That is exactly where we have the next very powerful resistance of $39,500. Here we can see on this daily time frame. And we also have another short-term support here that I was telling you at $36,300. That was the recent swing low before this breakout from this 4-hourly time frame chart, the wedge that Bitcoin has broken out on this 4-hourly time frame. Here we had the recent swing low. We tested the support and tested the wedge support as well. That was $36,500, $36,300. And if we take a look at the recent history, then it was working as a very, very nice support, and before that as the resistance as well. Therefore, I was telling you that we can expect a reversal move from here. And after the breakout from this wedge, our target technically is the top of this wedge, that is approximately $44,000. And after this breakout, we have received the first confirmation that now we can achieve this target, and the second confirmation will be received when we will break out this big resistance of $39,500. Because if I zoom the chart out, then you can see that previously this $39,500 has been working as a very, very strong support and resistance, like here back in January 2022, and here in September 2021, and here as well. And here we can see that back in June to July 2021, it has been working as a strong resistance. And here, when we had this powerful rally back in January 2021, it was rejected by this resistance of $39,500. Therefore, now we need to break out this resistance. Then we can achieve the next target, that is the target for this falling wedge, that is approximately $44,000. And we can see that we have a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame when we were breaking out the resistance. Before that, the price line was forming lower lows, and RSI started forming higher lows. So there was a bullish divergence, and we broke out this wedge with the bullish divergence. And the target is here at $44,000, and the target for this channel is the top of this channel here, approximately at $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.